What's the meaning of Alec Issigonis? Alec Issigonis. Alec Issigonis. Alec Issigonis. Alec Issigonis. Alec Issigonis.
Alec Issigonis was a British-Greek car designer who is best known for creating the iconic Mini Cooper. He was born in 1906 and started his career as an engineer in the aviation industry before transitioning to designing cars. His innovative designs for the Mini Cooper, which included a transverse engine and front-wheel drive, revolutionized the automotive industry and made the Mini a popular car around the world. Issigonis' legacy continues to live on today as the Mini has become an enduring symbol of British automotive design.